For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a roofing business can be a lucrative and rewarding venture if approached with proper planning, resourcefulness, and smart tools. Thanks to free AI tools, many of the traditional startup hurdles, like business planning, customer acquisition, branding, and cost management, can be managed with little or no money up front. This guide walks you step by step through the process of launching a roofing business using free AI platforms that provide professional-grade support at no cost. Step 1. Research the market and understand the industry. Before launching a roofing business, it's essential to understand your local market, pricing standards, service demand, and competitors. Use AI tools like ChatGPT and Google Bard to gather insights on roofing trends, local competitors, and average pricing. You can prompt ChatGPT with, "Give me a summary of the roofing industry in your city or state," including current trends, customer types, and pricing strategies. Complement your research with Google Trends and Google Keyword Planner to analyze search demand for roofing services in your area. This will help you identify which services, roof replacement, repair, inspection, are most in demand. Step 2. Define your business model and niche. Not all roofing businesses are the same. You can specialize in residential roofs, commercial projects, eco-friendly installations, emergency repairs, or storm damage restoration. Use AI brainstorming tools like Notion AI or ChatGPT to help define your niche and business model. Try this prompt. List 5 profitable roofing business models and niches for a startup in your area, with pros and cons for each. Use the results to choose the model that matches your skills, local demand, and budget. Step 3. Create a business plan with AI assistance. Your business plan is your roadmap. Use ChatGPT or Copy.ai to generate a full roofing business plan. These tools help structure your executive summary, services offered, competitive analysis, marketing plan, and financial projections. Try this ChatGPT prompt. Write a simple business plan for a startup roofing company in city/state, targeting residential customers. Include goals, services, target market, marketing strategy, and cost estimates. Edit and customize the AI-generated plan in Google Docs or Canva Docs for presentation or applying for permits and funding. Step 4. Name and register your business. Use a free AI-powered business name generator, such as Namelix or Shopify's business name generator, to find a catchy and professional name. You can enter a prompt like, "Generate roofing business name ideas that sound reliable and trustworthy." Once you select a name, check domain availability on Namecheap and register it. Then, visit your local government or state business portal to register your business officially. If needed, apply for a business license and roofing contractor license. Requirements vary by location. Step 5. Design your logo and brand identity with free AI tools. A strong visual brand helps you stand out. Use Loca, Canva, or Brandmark.io to design a logo using AI. These tools offer free logo generators based on your business name and style preferences. Input something like, "Create a logo for a residential roofing company with a modern and professional feel," using navy blue and gray. Use Canva's AI-powered brand kit tools to generate matching business cards, social media templates, and flyers for free. Step 6. Build a website using AI website builders. Having a website adds credibility and helps generate leads. Use free AI website builders like Wix, Durable, or TenWeb to create a fully functional roofing website without coding. Durable's AI site builder is especially fast. Just type, "Build me a website for a residential roofing business in city." Include a contact form, services page, and customer testimonial section. Make sure your website includes calls to action, your phone number, a lead capture form, and photos of past work, even stock images to start. Step 7. Price your services using AI calculators and competitor data. Use AI to benchmark prices. You can ask ChatGPT, What is the average cost of residential roof repair, replacement, and maintenance services in your area? You can also build simple pricing models in Google Sheets with help from ChatGPT using a prompt like, "Help me build a pricing calculator spreadsheet for roofing services, including materials, labor, and profit margins." Step 8. Create an AI-powered marketing plan. Use free AI tools like ChatGPT and Simplified to write your digital marketing strategy. You'll need social media posts, Google My Business optimization, and local advertising. Try this prompt. Create a marketing plan for a new roofing business in your city. Include online strategies, Google Ads, SEO, social media, and offline tactics, flyers, yard signs, word of mouth. Use Canva's content planner to schedule AI-generated social posts. You can also create promotional videos with Pictory AI or Lumen 5 using text-to-video AI from your marketing copy. Step 9. Generate legal contracts and invoices. Use tools like Do Not Pay or ChatGPT to generate simple service contracts, estimates, and invoices. These help protect your business and maintain professionalism. Try this prompt. Write a basic roofing service agreement between a contractor and a homeowner for a roof replacement job. Include terms for payment, schedule, and warranty. Use Wave, free accounting software, to send AI-assisted invoices, track payments, and manage your finances. Step 10. Find and manage roofing jobs using AI. You can begin by listing your business on free platforms like Google Maps, Yelp, and Craigslist. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to write strong service listings and ads. Prompt. Write a Craigslist ad offering residential roof repair services with a trustworthy and urgent tone. As your business grows, use free CRMs like HubSpot or Notion AI to manage customer contacts, follow-ups, and job timelines. These tools help automate reminders, track job progress, and streamline communication. Step 11. Train and manage workers with AI support. If you hire workers, use ChatGPT to write training guides or safety checklists. You might say, write a roofing safety checklist for employees working on residential homes. Use Google Workspace or Notion to store these guides and share them with your team digitally. For job scheduling and team collaboration, free tools like Trello or ClickUp can help. Conclusion. Starting a roofing business doesn't have to be expensive or overwhelming, thanks to the power of free AI tools. From planning and branding to pricing and marketing, artificial intelligence can handle many of the essential startup tasks at no cost. By following the steps in this guide, you can go from idea to active business faster, smarter, and with confidence. With consistent effort and good service, your roofing business can scale quickly and build a strong reputation in your community. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.